Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Ken. I am a professional photographer by trade and a full-time eBay seller. I specialize in selling vintage postcards as well as vintage photos. And, the reason I started this YouTube channel is because people need a little help. And I thought I'd like to do that. So, I've been on eBay since about 2002. I find that eBay is one of the easiest and most lucrative ways where you can make extra money. You can sell pretty much anything on eBay. And I don't have all the answers. I'm not a guru or an expert or anything. But I do know a few things, and maybe there's something I can help you with. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, then you know what to do. Just hit the red subscribe tab below and make sure you click on that bell icon. That way you'll be notified whenever I do a new video. All right. Listen, I got to go. But you guys have a great day. I will see you later, and bye for now.